Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this haul video. So I just came from Michael's and I got a couple things, so I thought I would share them to you. So I saw these in their cheaper bin and I really liked the size of these flowers. I thought they were just the right size. So I got a package of those. And then I really needed some black sequins and I wanted some small ones. I had a lot of the bigger ones, so I grabbed this, and you get the 3 different sizes. You get the 5 millimeters, the 8 millimeters, and the 10 millimeters. So I really needed some of the small ones, so I grabbed that as well. Then I got some glitter, and I have a video coming up on this card, how I made this, which I used glitter on it, this super extra fine glitter. And I really liked that card, so I actually grabbed a couple more colors just quickly. I really like these 3 colors together, and I thought they would work with the colors I already have. So I grabbed those 3, and then I also grabbed a couple of these. Now, it's very hard to show on camera, but these are the foam. And these are the pieces that are 12 inches by 18 inches, and they're the foam, so that you can add dimension. And what I usually do is I cut it in half, and it just makes it a lot easier to store. So I grabbed a couple more of those. And then I got a couple of these here. I got this one here. These are the 110 pound cardstock by Michael's, and you get 100 in the package. And like I said, this is about $22. If you use the coupon, you can get it a little bit cheaper, but I got that in the black and the white. And I find that I like this cardstock for card bases a lot better than what I have been using. And then I also got just quick a couple pieces of this vellum here, and these are just the 12 by 12 pieces of vellum, and I just needed a little bit of vellum, so I grabbed a couple sheets of those quick. And then I was at the till and I saw they had a whole bunch of different pens, and I'm a real sucker for like purple pens. So I just grabbed a couple here, and I'm just going to zoom in to show you here now, and I can show you what these pens look like. So this first one here, maybe I'll do this one. This is the Signo pen, and this is the Uniball, and this is the purple. And I really liked it when I did a little bit of a demo at the store. It seems to flow out quite nicely, and it's a nice thickness. So I grabbed that one there, and then they had another purple one here in this Papermate, and this is their Ink Joy 0.7. It's a quicker drying pen, which is kind of nice, and it looks very, very similar to the other one, maybe slightly darker, and maybe slightly a little bit, it looks a little bit thicker than this one, but I like both, and since I'm kind of crazy about purple, I got both. And then I also got in this Papermate one, this one, and this is the teal color, and there doesn't seem to be any markings on it to really give it a color name, but they had lots of colors, and I really like this teal color. And again, this comes out really nice and smooth out of the pen. I really like that. And then the last one I got was the black one here in this same Papermate with the 0.7. And I'm always searching for a black pen in my craft space, so I thought, well, along with these ones, I would grab a black one. So I really like those. I have to say, I did a review video on these Papermate erasable ones, and I still really, really like these pens. They work really well, they flow well, they erase well, and I haven't had the same problems with these that I did with the friction pens, so I'm still very happy with these pens. But anyways, that is what I got at my Michael's. Really can't wait to use some of this glitter, and hooray, finally some of those smaller black sequins. I like the big sequins, but I really like having kind of multiple sizes on a card. I just find that it looks nicer. And I really hope to buy a few more of the smaller sequins, maybe from Simon Says Sam, just so I can have some more of the little ones. So that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed this haul. You can check me out at my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.